welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious M, and I'm back again with another video. Yeah, aka Bontle. This girl is back. Yeah, so yes guys, it's really nice to be back, and today I thought I should be doing a haul. So if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about me so far. Yeah, and what ideas do you think I should do? Like, what makeup problems or whatever that you're encountering with makeup and then you want me to help you with? Yeah, please comment down below, and I would really love to hear your thoughts. So yes, so if you're a returning subscriber, thank you again, madam. Thank you again, mister. Thank you so much, my Hunnies, for supporting me. And without wasting any time, let's get into the channel.
Shit, I'm in video. What?
I'm in video. Yay! And then like the excitement just went down again. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. And so yes guys, so most of the products that I purchased were online, and I actually purchased them from GearBest, and then some of the product I actually ordered them from a consultant or an agent around the University of Limpopo. I actually forgot the girl, but then if you're around and you're interested and you want some of the products that I'm gonna be showing here, just holla girl, comment down below and I'll tell you where I went. As simple as that. So first thing that I'm starting with are these beautiful brushes that I have in my hand. Let me do this. The bigger ones on the other side, and the big and the small on the other. So these are the brushes that I've been waiting for all my life. Be like, guys, I ordered my brushes, they don't want to come. They're finally here. I went to the post office. I received a message on the 23rd, which was my birthday. Then my package has arrived straight from China. So here we have like the foundation, the contouring, the powder brushes, and on this side we have the eye brushes. So these are the face, and these are the eye brushes. Like we have the big blending and application brush, this one too, and then we have like the angled little brush here. Guys, I so love this brushes. Like I literally fell in love with this. Yeah, and they were $9, which is approximately 150, if I'm not mistaken, 140 or 150 from GearBest. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below on where you could get them, how, and all that kind of stuff is. And secondly, I got this from Sheet Street. Guys, I'm moving up. Like I got this from Sheet Street. It was actually a sale. It was 16 rand. So I got this from Sheet Street for 16 rand because I thought, yay, Kelly is like, building her makeup brush game and all that kind of shit. So I figured, let me get this. It's like a flower pot or something. So I figured I'm gonna put it in this, but then I realized it's big and this brushes are way smaller. I don't know if you can see, like it's big, like it's legit big. So this is where I'm gonna be storing most of my brushes. This is where I'm gonna be storing most of my brushes. We're still building the game, we're still building this. Yeah, so that was that. And again from GearBest, I ordered this. This was actually the cheapest. This was like $2. Imagine, like, what would you get? I was like, let me just see if this could work. And I was actually trying out like this online purchasing kind of things, you understand? So yeah, I went there, and this was like this small eyeshadow palette that I got. It's D&M. Oh guys, but then this was gorgeous. I don't want to lie, this was gorgeous. Like, it's really small, it's really small. Let me just show you. Like, it literally fits in my hand. It fits in my hand. And let me just swatch the red shades, because guys, like, I found this really pigmented for something so cheap. For something so cheap. And I think I've used it once or twice, and guys, I can tell you that, like, the way this shade come out, okay, it's exactly like what you see is what you get. They are okay. These are the matte shades that I've got. Where's my makeup wipe? I want to wipe this, but then yeah, these are the matte shades. You can see, guys, like, the palette is pigmented, but then it's like the fallouts are just crazy. And from here, I'll just this small piece here, it's oh, I forgot this one. This one, it's good to use as a base, guys. This one, it's like, it's really good to use as a base. It's not white, it's actually what, peachy, like light peach or something like that. But then when you see it, it will come out as white too. Yeah. Anyway, now let me swatch the shimmer 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let me use a brush. Up here, these are the shimmery shades, guys. Like, can you see that the palette is so pigmented but yet cheap? I mean, like, it's 34 rand. Let me just say it's 34 rand. It's $2. $1 goes for how long? For how much rather? I think it's 15 rand if I'm not mistaken. So multiply that by 2. This was the price. This was $2, guys. The next, I love this. I'm gonna do a look on this little number over here. And again, I went and purchased the NYX Ice Studio waterproof with like a liner and a smudge. So they come in two. Okay, let me just wipe off my pens. Yeah, they come in two colors. Yeah, this is it, guys. Here there were little brushes, so I took them out. Yeah, I was using one to do my brow game over here. These are the little brushes that you get with this set. Okay, so this one is the black one. You can use it as a liner. It's actually a liner, so that's exactly what I use it for. This is a liner that I haven't touched yet, and this it's number 2 brown. What's this? This is number 1 black Studio, and then this is number 2 brown, and this is what I use for my brows, and it's almost depleted. I hate pen, guys. I literally hate pen. Like, I fell in love the minute I bought this. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with this, guys. And this went for like 300. You can get this from Filmora. And then the next thing that I got from GearBest, it was this little number. I don't know if most of you have seen this. Let me just show you the size. It's not big, so when I ordered it, I literally thought it was something big, but then when it came and I opened my package and everything, like, this tiny little puny highlight and concealer palette, guys. Truth, I wouldn't recommend you to buy this or purchase this. Why? Because like, I feel this palette is too creamy. It's creamy and it's oily, so I wouldn't recommend you buy this. Okay. Yeah, I actually like this dark shades for contouring. And I've used this once but then I really love these two shades for contouring. Like as you can see, like we are dark girls and we need contouring too, and this is the darkest that I've ever seen in a contouring cream palette. So this is the reason why I still have this and I still love this. This went for $7. Yeah, this went for $6 or $7. I'm not too sure. I'm not sure, but then I'll put the prices below, like for you to see if maybe you want to purchase them, and then you will. Okay, and then something exciting. Sorry about the mess, because like I've purchased this a while back. I literally just purchased these things separately, most of them, but the ones from GearBest, like I did one order and then they came and it was free shipping. Yo guys, it took a drag, like it took a whole month for the product to be here, so imagine that. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit. It's a Nicole Guerrero. This is a Nicole Guerrero little babe. This is a glow kit that I normally use, guys. Like this glow kit is the thing that actually that. Oh shoot, guys! What I'm looking for is thank you. I was actually looking for this to wipe off this. I want to swatch the kit. Like I want you to see how beautiful is the kit. Like just behind it. So yeah, this is it. This is it. It has 6 shades. 2 of them you can actually use for blush. I actually use this for my face, guys. Like I really love this palette. This palette is legit the boom. It's the boom. Okay. Yeah, I will just name them. It's that brush. I'm talking about brush, guys. I have brushes now. Like so, I'll be using them as pointers. My brushes. You feel me? So yeah, this one here is called Daydream. Right down there is called 143. Just next to it is called the Glow Getter. Up there is called Forever Young, my favorite. And then here, oh, I really love this for like my inner corners, like putting it on my inner corner. Like it's popping, guys. It's called Kitty Cat. You give me Kitty Cat. And this one here, it's called Forever Lit. This one, it's like, so yeah, these are the swatch of the best, guys. This is the Forever Kit, the Kitty Cat, and the Forever Young. Okay, I'll post the price down below because I do not remember how much was it. So the next thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys that I also purchased was this. This is the Huddah Beauty makeup remover wipes. There are 50 inside, and I got this on a sale and they were 50 rand. So I don't know the original price. I'll just put it down below because when I got it as on a sale, it was on a sale. These are bomb. They smell great and they're not harsh to skin. Oh guys, these are the best. Makeup remover will throughout remove the iron face makeup, even the waterproof mascara without irritation to the skin. So this, guys, is even pre-moisturized, like moisturizes your skin and all that. And lastly, this is the it. This is the things that makes the things to be done, guys. This is what I used to create this whole look here, and it's the new palette of Huddah. Huddah. It's not the new, it's my new purchase. So hence I'm saying new to me. Okay, this has been in the market for a long while. So I purchased this, guys, and I used it to create this very look over here. This look over here. Oh, my hair. My hair is, oh my gosh. So yeah. So Thank you so much guys for watching, and yeah, do come back again for another video. And yeah, your girl is here guys, your girl is here. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below of what you think about this video. So as I thank you and I'm signing out, your girl Precious, your girl Bontle. I'm leaving you, loving you, living you. Yeah, so yeah, this was the last swatches of the Huddah Beauty palette, and then we're gonna be creating more looks with that palette soon. So yeah, stay tuned for another video, and please hit that bell button so that you'll be notified each time I load a new video or upload a new video or put it on my channel. So please, you'll be notified for more. Thank you. Bye.